What's up, guys? Today we are in Littlerock, Arkansas because we probably made one of the stupidest financial decisions of our life, but we just bought a new to us 2024 Storyteller Overland Classic OG mode. And we're about to drive 1,200 miles from Arkansas all the way back home to Delaware. Let's go. There she is, baby. Alright guys, picked up the van, got some Chick-fil-A. Rough. Well, we're 3 hours in. Officially made it into Tennessee. Gonna stop and refuel and then continue on. Starting to get late, about 8:30, the sun's down. We just got some caffeine. Continue on, we're probably about 40 minutes outside of Nashville. We're gonna try to get past Nashville and then hopefully stop at a Cracker Barrel for the night. Alright, well, we made it to our glorious camping spot, Cracker Barrel for the night. Did about 7 hours of driving. Just made it past Nashville a little bit. We're gonna call it quits for tonight and we'll start again tomorrow. Well, there's our beautiful view for the morning. This is day 2, driving home, or driving the van home. It's now 5:30. We slept through our alarm, so we're getting on the road about an hour late now, but here we go. First impressions of Buc-ee's, what'd you think?
It's huge.
It was amazing. It definitely met or exceeded expectations. It was huge. They had all kinds of stuff. Got some Buc-ee swag.
For the boys.
And a new Buc-ee's hat. So we are officially Buc-ee's fans.
Alright, so Mike bought these espresso pouches. I'm gonna see how they taste. Alright, Mike, let's see. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, like easy.
Do you feel energized?
I am. Still on the race to get home. We drove, I think it was 5.5 hours straight without stopping. Just fueled up, got some energy drinks, had a little Uncrustable for lunch. We're gonna continue on. Hopefully we can get home before the boys' bedtime. That's the goal. We've been on the road for 10 hours now, and I think we are officially within our lines.
Ready?
Let me see the surprise.
Oh, what do you see over there, dude? What is it?
Whoa, what is that, Mace?
What is it?
Wait.
Is it a camper van?
Do you see it?
What is
Let's go
that?
see it.
We're gonna check it out.
Oh, that's big. We can't go get it home.
What did we get, dude?
Hamburger.
Oh.
Wow, how lucky you are.
Let's go look at it.
We're gonna go camping. Wow.
Your bed?
This is gonna be your bed. You're in your brother's bed. Wow, this is like in all the stores. Dad can go drive it.
Yeah.
Mama! Mom, we'll sit there.
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna sit here and Daddy's gonna sit here. Daddy can sit here. Mommy,
And the boys will get their new car seats.
And they get the new car seat and kind of climb in.
What do you think you're doing? After 14 hours of driving today, we finally got the boys and made it home. It's a little after 8 o'clock. We're gonna get the boys down and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We are back. It is the next day, Monday morning. Just want to give you guys a quick tour of the van. The past 2 days have been a sprint to get home. So, because Mandy had work first thing this morning. So we didn't really get a chance to film a ton of good content, give you guys a van tour, so I was going to do one real quick now. So this is the exterior of the van. We have a fold out table right here with an outlet. You can put an induction cooktop on. On the back here we have some storage. The bed folds up and you can have a little table there as well. Ladder up to the roof rack with the Pelican box and has some solar up there. So coming inside the van, both seats will spin around so you can have seating up for. Put a little table here in the middle. This second row of seating folds down and you can turn it into a bed as well as the lounger. Over here, got a small fridge, sink here. You can put a electric induction cooktop, which is stored in one of the cabinets. We have a bed, Murphy bed in the back that folds up. You need a little standing bench, and we got a ton of storage cabinets along here, as well as the back with a microwave. On top, we got a little roof vent, air conditioner, and then over here is a control panel for the entire van. All right, so that wraps it up for this week's video. This video, I'm sorry, it was a little boring. Wasn't a ton of exciting things going on, but we were able to get this van home from Arkansas in 2 days, actually a day and a half, and hopefully we'll have a ton of more exciting content coming out soon. Now we got this ultimate adventure van. See you guys next week.